Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, August 4th, and this is my analysis for the Aussie US dollar, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So on the Aussie dollar, we definitely did get a break of structure to the downside on like the higher time frames. On the higher time frames, it's definitely a little bit of a rejection of structure because it wasn't able to hold below it. But looking at the dollar index especially, I think there's a very good chance that we might be in a bigger move to the downside. So I would definitely be looking at this move up as likely just a pullback to this last move down. I would hope to see at least a 38% pullback. Maybe this is like an A. Maybe this does drift down a little bit, but it's still just like a wave B and then goes up for wave C. I'd like to see like a 38 or 50% pullback before it actually continues down. But we have to be careful in these type of situations because when you get a break to the downside and then you're waiting for a nice three-way pullback, sometimes you don't get those nice three-way pullbacks. Sometimes you just get a smaller pullback and then it'll just continue the downtrend pretty much at any time. So definitely have a short bias in my opinion. And let's see if this move up really is going to turn into a pullback to this last move down. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.